To activate international markets in Shopify, set up shipping zones, access your Shopify admin dashboard, navigate to settings, shipping and delivery, add international shipping zones by specifying regions or countries where you want to sell your products. Currency settings, go to Settings General. Enable multiple currencies to allow customers to view product prices in their local currency. Shopify payments or third-party currency converters can facilitate this feature. Translate store content. Translate essential content such as product descriptions, titles, and policies to cater to diverse audiences using Shopify's built-in language editor or translation apps. Payment gateway activation. Enable international payment gateways or ensure your existing payment gateways support international transactions to accept payments from various countries. Tax and legal compliance. Comply with international tax regulations by configuring tax settings based on the regions you're selling to. Ensure compliance with local laws regarding product restrictions, labeling, or shipping regulations. Localization and marketing. Tailor marketing strategies to target international audiences. Consider localized advertising, SEO optimization for different regions, and partnerships with local influencers or platforms. Offer multilingual support. Provide customer support in multiple languages if possible. Consider adding language options to your customer service channels. Test and optimize. Regularly review international sales performance, customer feedback, and website analytics to optimize strategies and improve the international shopping experience.